A newly spotted Pixel 11 Pro XL phone case render may have just revealed some of Google's biggest design tweaks for its next flagship. If the latest leaks are accurate, Google could unveil the Pixel 11 series in early to mid-August, with pre-orders likely going live the same day. Retail-focused leakers are currently pointing to an August 20th availability date for the Pixel 11 lineup. Here's the early look at a super-thin Pixel 11 Pro XL case. Thinborn, a casemaker based in Frisco, Texas, has published a product listing for a Pixel 11 Pro XL case, complete with images. While it might seem early for this kind of listing in March, case manufacturers often receive phone dimensions and design specs months ahead of launch so they can tool their production lines and ensure a precise fit on day one. What the Thinborn case images suggest about the Pixel 11 Pro XL design. From the Thinborn images, the rear camera cutout appears wider, which could hint at a slightly larger camera bar on the Pixel 11 Pro XL. At the same time, the case's camera lip looks less protruding, suggesting Google may be slimming down the rear camera bump, meaning a thinner camera mount on the 2026 Pixel Pro XL model. Google keeps evolving the Pixel camera bar. Google's camera bar design has been evolving ever since it debuted with the Pixel 6 series back in October 2021. The Pixel 6 Pro introduced that bold, horizontal bar, and since then, Google has adjusted the shape and styling across multiple generations. Interestingly, the Thinborn case makes it look like the Pixel 11 Pro XL camera bar could be shifting back toward a more rectangular look, closer to the original Pixel 6 Pro vibe, after years of design changes. A major Pixel 11 Pro XL upgrade could finally fix face unlock. One of the biggest missing features on the Pixel 6 Pro was true facial recognition. Reports suggested face unlock was pulled late in development, and while Pixel 7 through Pixel 10 included face unlock, it hasn't been consistently reliable in low light. That could change with the Pixel 11 Pro XL. Google's rumored Project Toscana is expected to add infrared hardware, potentially bringing Pixel Face Unlock performance closer to Apple's Face ID, especially at night and indoors. Other expected upgrades: fingerprint sensor, modem, and next-gen Tensor power. Google has already been improving key Pixel fundamentals since the Pixel 6 era, including moving beyond slower optical fingerprint scanners toward ultrasonic fingerprint technology. Connectivity is also a major focus. The Pixel 6 Pro's Samsung Exynos 5123 modem gained a reputation for weak or unstable connections. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to switch to the MediaTek M90 modem, which could help Pixel close the gap with top-tier rivals like the iPhone 17 Pro Max Snapdragon X80 modem and the Galaxy S26 Ultra Snapdragon X85 modem. Tensor G6 2nm chip, gate-all-around transistors, and better efficiency on the performance side, the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to run on Google's Tensor G6, reportedly built by TSMC on a cutting-edge 2nm process. That would make it the first Tensor chip to use gate-all-around (GAA) transistors, an advanced design that wraps the gate around the channel to reduce leakage and improve current drive. In practical terms, that could mean a faster, more efficient Pixel. Early expectations suggest the 2nm Tensor G6 could deliver roughly a 25 to 30% reduction in power consumption at the same performance level compared to the prior 3nm node used for Tensor G5.